Yes.
So hello everyone. In today's class, we are going to start with perpendicular distance from a line. What is the formula for finding out the perpendicular distance from a particular line? So if we have a line L which is given by ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where ax plus by plus c is the general equation of the line, and we have a point P x1 comma y1 which is at the distance d, and the distance is perpendicular distance from the line. Then the distance from the point P to the point on the line is given by d is equal to ax1 plus by1 plus c, the modulus of this, divided by root of a square divided by b square. So this is the formula that you are going to use for distance of any point which is at a perpendicular distance from a line which is having an equation ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So I will be taking a question on the same concept. Find the distance of the point minus 1 comma 1 from the line 12 multiplied by x plus 6 is equal to 5 multiplied by y minus 2. So similar to this concept, P is one of the point. So this the point is given, the equation of the line is given, so I can solve the same thing, right? So I will be writing down the given equation is going to be 12 multiplied by x plus 6 is equal to 5 multiplied by y minus 2. So I can simplify this. 12x plus 12 multiplied by 6 is going to be 72, is going to be 5y minus 10. Now 12x minus 5y minus 10 to the left hand side, so I can write 82 is equal to 0. So this is your equation number 1. You can consider this as equation number 1. Now we have to compare the equation number 1 with the general equation. So let me write the general equation of the line. So the general equation of the line is ax plus by plus c. Writing down the same thing, I can write ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Upon comparing both the equations, a I will be getting as 12, b is going to be minus 5, c is going to be 82. Right? I think somebody is here. Let me just have a check. Yes, Aditya. We were here. So I will be writing down the values of a, b and c here. So a will be equal to 12, b will be equal to minus 5, c is going to be 82. I have got the value of a, b and c. The equation is given by d is equal to ax1 plus by1 plus c under the modulus divided by root of a square plus b square. I will be taking the point P. Let point P, which is x1 comma y1, be this point which is minus 1 comma 1. X1 is going to be minus 1, y1 is going to be 1. Let me write down the formula again. So the formula is d under the modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c whole divided by under the root of a square plus b square. I will be substituting the values here in this equation. I will be getting a multiplied by x1. So a is going to be 12 multiplied by minus 1 plus b, which is going to be minus 5 multiplied by y1 is 1 plus c is going to be 82 under the modulus whole divided by root of a square. A is 12, so I can write 12 square plus b square, which is minus 5 whole square. I should be solving the same thing, so I will be getting minus 12 here, minus 12 minus 5 plus 82 modulus root of 12 square is 144 minus 5 square is 25, so plus 25. Upon solving, 82 minus 12 minus 17 is going to be 65. 65 under the modulus whole root of 169. I will be getting d is equal to 65 under the root of 169. I can write this as 65 over 30. So d I will be getting as 5. Yes, 5 units. I have got the value of d, which is going to be 5 units. So you can write the final answer. The distance of the point minus 1 comma 1 from the line 12 multiplied by x plus 6 is equal to 5 multiplied by y minus 2 is 5 units. This is going to be your fourth question. Let us move on to the next one. The fifth one. Find the points on the x-axis whose distance from the line x by 3 plus y by 4 is equal to 1 are 4 units. Let me write down whatever is given in the question. Equation of the line is given. So equation of the line is given. Next, I will make a note of the same. Equation of the line is x over 3 plus y over 4 is equal to 1. I can simplify this equation by multiplying 3 and 4 on both the sides. So I will be multiplying 3 first. Upon multiplying 3, I will be getting x plus 3y over 4 is going to be equal to 3. Again, multiplying with 4. I will write down here. Multiply by 3. Next, multiply by 4. When you multiply by 4, you will be getting 4x plus 3y is going to be 12. You can take this as equation number 1. You can compare equation number 1 with the general equation. So I will be writing the general equation, which is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Let me compare the general equation with the equation whichever I have got. 4x plus 3y plus c is equal to 0. Now I can take the value of a as 4, b as 3, c as wait, this is not C, right? So this is 12. Minus 12. Yes, minus 12. So if this comes to the other side, it is going to be minus 12. The value of C is going to be minus 12. Let me make a note of the same. A is going to be 4. B is going to be 3. C is going to be minus 12. I have got the value of A, B and C. Let me write the equation of the distance which of the point which is perpendicular from a line. It is given by under the modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c whole divided by root of a square plus b square. D is given in the question. It is 4 units. So I can substitute 4 here. 4 is going to be equal to a multiplied by x1, x1 and y1. X1 and y1. What is going to be your x1 and y1? Find the point on the x-axis. So any point on the x-axis can be considered as x comma 0. So x1 and y1 can be taken as x and 0. If I take the same thing, here I will be getting 4 multiplied with, I can take x. X1 is x itself. So 4 multiplied with x plus 3 multiplied with y1. Y1 is 0 minus c is 12 whole divided by root of a square plus b square. So a is 4, so 4 square plus 3 square. I will be solving it in the next slide. I will be getting 4 is equal to, under the modulus of, let me go back, 4x plus 3, so 3 is going to be 0, 4x minus 12. I will be getting 4x minus 12 under the modulus divided by root of 4 square is 16 plus 3 square is 19. I will be getting this as 4a minus 12 divided by root of 25. 4 is going to be equal to 4a minus 12 divided by 5. This is going to be the equation I'm getting. Now I can cross multiply. 4 can be taken as 4 over 1. Upon cross multiplying, I will be getting the value as 4a minus 12 is going to be equal to 4 multiplied by 5, which is going to be equal to 20. Modulus, I can break the modulus as plus and minus. So breaking the modulus, I can write 4a minus 12 plus or minus 4a minus 12, because I am breaking the modulus over here, which is going to be equal to 20. Now in this case, 4a minus 12, that is plus 4a minus 12, this can be equal to 20. This can be your one of the equation. Next, minus of 4a minus 12 is going to be equal to 20. This is your second equation. You will be getting two values for x. So this is your x, sorry, I have taken this as a, you should be taking it as x. 4x, 4x, here also 4x, here also 4x, here and here. So we have taken it as x, right? So 4x minus 12 is going to be equal to 20. We will be getting two values here. So upon solving the first equation, I will be getting 4x minus 20 is equal to 4x minus 12 is equal to 20. 4x can be written as 32. X will be equal to 8. This is one of the value of x. Similarly, solving this, I will be getting minus 4x plus 12 is equal to 20. Minus 4x is going to be equal to 8. X is going to be 8 over minus 4. X is going to be minus 2. So the value of x is 8 and also minus 2. Required points are, you can write required points are x comma 0. So the points can be 2 points. One of the point is x comma 8 comma 0. One of the other point can be minus 2 comma 0. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. We will move to the next concept. Distance between parallel lines. If you have two lines L1 and L2, where the equation of the line L1 is given by y is equal to mx plus c1, and the equation of the line L2 is given by y is equal to mx plus c2, The distance between the line is given by d, which is equal to under the modulus c2 minus c1 divided by root of 1 minus m square, where m is the slope of the line. Only m is taken, m1 and m2 is not taken, because in parallel lines the slope are going to be the same. The slope is going to be the same, right? So d is given as c2 minus c1 or c1 minus c2, it does not matter, because we are taking the modulus divided by root of 1 minus m square. I will be taking a problem on the same concept. I have taken a formula here also. Question number 6. Find the distance between parallel lines. First one, 15x plus 8y minus 34 is equal to 0. This is one line, and 15x plus 8y plus 31. This is another line. Let me write the given lines first. I can write the given lines as 15x plus 8y minus 34 is going to be equal to 0, and one more line is 15x plus 8y plus 31 is equal to 0. I will be comparing both the lines with the general equation. So the general equation can be written as for two parallel lines. Here it is taken as y is equal to mx plus c1, or you can take here as ax plus by plus c1 is equal to 0, ax plus by plus c2 is equal to 0. In the formula, you need only your c1 and c2 and your m. Is that correct? Yes. Yes. So what can I do here? Can you? Okay, okay. I will be writing down one more formula here. Okay. So you can use this formula, or there is one more formula also, which is d is given as c2 minus c1 divided by, if you don't know the slope, you can also write it as a square b square under the root. This is also one of your formula. I can use this here because I have taken the equation of the line as ax plus by plus c1 and ax plus by plus c2. I can write the value of a, b and c. The value of a in both the cases, it is 15. The value of b is going to be 8. C1 is minus 34. C2 is 31. Do you have everything which is required in the formula, which is given by d is c2 minus c1 divided by square root of a square plus b square? D will be equal to modulus of c1 or c2 minus c1 minus 34 minus 31 under the modulus divided by root of a square, which is 15 square plus 8 square. Minus 34 minus 31, I will be getting minus 65 divided by root of 15 square is 225 plus 8 square is 64. D is going to be modulus of negative number is going to be a positive number. So I will be taking this as plus 65 under the root of 225 plus 64. It is going to be 289. Upon solving, I will be getting 65 over root of 289 is 17. So the answer is going to be D. The distance between the two parallel lines, 65 over 17 units. This is going to be your final answer.